Take a look at this Caterpillar excavator in action. This isn't just digging dirt. It's a masterclass in precision and power. Watch as its hydraulic arm smoothly scoops up sand and loads it onto the truck with near-perfect accuracy. Every movement is calculated, every bucketful deliberate. Here's what makes this machine special. The Cat excavator is built with advanced hydraulics that handle heavy loads effortlessly. Its rotating platform allows 360-degree movement, so the operator can work in tight spaces without missing a beat. And with a price tag of around $300,000 to $500,000, it's a serious investment, but for large-scale projects, it's worth every penny. Here's what makes this machine special. The Cat excavator is built with advanced hydraulics that handle heavy loads effortlessly. Its rotating platform allows 360-degree movement, so the operator can work in tight spaces without missing a beat. And with a price tag of around $300,000 to $500,000, it's a serious investment, but for large-scale projects, it's worth every penny. Notice how the operator controls the bucket's angle? That's not just skill, it's years of experience. One wrong move, and the sand could spill, wasting time and resources. But here, it's flawless. Each load lands exactly where it needs to go. This kind of efficiency is why Caterpillar machines dominate construction sites worldwide. They're rugged, reliable, and designed to work non-stop in the toughest conditions. Whether it's moving sand, digging foundations, or clearing debris, this excavator gets it done. But let's not forget the human element. Behind every smooth operation is an operator who knows their machine inside out. It's teamwork, man, and machine turning raw power into productivity. So next time you see an excavator on a job site, remember, it's not just about moving dirt. It's about precision, engineering, and the relentless drive to build bigger, faster, and smarter. If you're amazed by how machines like this shape our world, hit subscribe. We've got more behind-the-scenes action coming your way. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Do you want to see excavators romance? Here they is. Check this out. Our star today is the Caterpillar 322C, playing the ultimate hero in this muddy love story. Its partner in crime? A stuck John Deere excavator, knee-deep in trouble. Watch as the Cat 322C swings its mighty arm, attaches a heavy-duty chain, and starts pulling with all its 200 horsepower might. Let me explain why this is special. The Cat 322C isn't just strong, it's smart. With advanced hydraulics and a price tag of around $250,000, this beast is built for rescues like this. But hey, even Hercules needs a plan. Notice how the operator angles the blade to stabilize itself? Pure genius. Meanwhile, the John Deere's 160 HP engine is revving, wheels spinning, splashing mud like a toddler in a puddle. It's messy, chaotic, but oddly satisfying. The Cat's like, "Hold on, buddy, I got you." This isn't just a tug-of-war, it's heavy machinery teamwork. Every groan of the engine, every inch guidets a slow-motion dance of grit and grease. And after a tense 30 seconds pop, the John Deere breaks free, mud flying everywhere. Cue the confetti, or, well, dirt. Funny? Absolutely. But here's the kicker. This romance saves thousands in downtime. No cranes, no crew, just two excavators doing the dirty work. Literally. So next time you see these giants on a site, remember, even machines need a little love. And if you're gritting right now, hit subscribe. Trust me, we've got more heavy metal friendships coming your way. You won't want to miss the next episode. Here's a moment where routine maintenance takes a dangerous turn. A worker is repairing a part of this Caterpillar excavator. Everything seems under control. But suddenly, a blast rocks the machine, and the excavator's arm slams down violently. The cause? Likely a hydraulic failure or pressure buildup in the system. The operator, stunned but unharmed, scrambles to assess the damage. This is why safety protocols are non-negotiable. One split-second reminder. Even experienced pros can't predict every mechanical flaw. Never cut corners when working with heavy machinery. Watch closely as this operator faces one of the trickiest tasks in heavy machinery loading an excavator onto a truck. The margin for error? Almost zero. First attempt, the excavator's arm swings into position, but the truck tilts dangerously. One wrong move, and this could all go sideways. The driver pauses, recalibrates. Second try. Slow and steady. The operator adjusts the excavator's angle, inch by inch, using every ounce of hydraulic precision. The truck creaks, but holds firm. This isn't just skill, it's a high-stakes game of balance. That excavator weighs over 20 tons, and a single slip could mean disaster. But here, experience wins. The machine settles perfectly onto the trailer. A reminder, loading heavy equipment isn't just about power. It's about patience, physics, and nerves of steel. Watch closely as this excavator battles a steep, uneven slope its tracks slip. The ground crumbles, but the driver stays locked in. With precision control, they feather the hydraulic levers, lowering the boom millimeter by millimeter. The machine groans, tilting dangerously, but the operator's sheer focus keeps it steady. A masterclass in heavy machinery control where raw power meets razor-sharp skill. This is how pros handle the impossible. Stay tuned for more.